Hi lovelies, I welcome you back to my YouTube channel, and our menu today calls for this refreshing fruit parfait. So I'm going to run you through on how you can make your parfait at home. So for the lovers of parfait, don't go anywhere, sit and join me while we prepare this. I'll be using grapefruit, pear, apple, banana. This lemon is not actually part of the fruit, but I will use the juice to prevent the apple and banana from browning as I slice them up. And for the toppings, I'll be using, this is cashew nut, this is coconut flakes, raisins and almond granola, and the base, which is the yogurt. I'm using Habib yogurt sweetened. So guys, we are starting by cutting our banana. So now I present my crunchy apple. I so much enjoy my apple when it is crunchy. So if you don't like it crunchy, go ahead and do what works for you. At this point, I'm gonna be sprinkling some lemon juice on the already cut apple and banana to prevent them from browning while I continue to prepare the remaining fruits. Beautiful people, my highly esteemed friends and families, if you're still watching till this time, that means you like what you are seeing. Please like the video, subscribe if you're new to this channel. As you can see, I'm done prepping the fruit. I'm still adding a bit of the lemon juice, especially on the last portion of fruit I just cut. This is me trying to remove the grapefruit from the stalk. Guys, like, this grapefruit is everything. It's so big that when you put just one in your mouth will be so full, like when you are eating meat. So guys, this is the cup I'll be using for this parfait. I just love the cup so much. It is now time to assemble the whole of the ingredient. So we begin by putting in some yogurt in the cup, about 3 to 4 spoons of yogurt, followed by the fruits, then the toppings. We'll go again with the yogurt, fruits, and the toppings. Just make sure that at the surface, all the ingredients you use can easily be seen. You've seen how easy it is to make this. Like when you walk into a supermarket and you see this displayed in their fridge, you might be thinking like it's a whole big deal, like but it's not at all. You can easily make this in your home. Please like this video, drop your comment for me. I want to read from you. And if you're new to this channel, please click the subscribe button and also click on the notification so that you will be notified each time I drop a new video. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.